Welcome back to Akahilz, a live on crypto news review on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. Articles done by Connor 17. We'll be reviewing this article. So before we go too deep, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you find this video or this review updates beneficial. So you can click on the subscribe button below and to be part of the family, or you get updated whenever we drop updates. So crypto.com insists no funds stolen in hot wallet hack. So market musings table of contents of fortunate timing. So crypto.com has insisted that no funds were stolen in its hot wallet hack, despite blockchain intelligence firms indicating that about 4,600 ETH has been taken. So on Monday, the exchange had confirmed that a small number of users were reporting suspicious activity on their accounts and withdrawals were suspended, stressing that all funds were saved. Crypto.com users were told that they would need to sign back into their account and reset their two-factor authentication. Platform CEO Chris Mazalek said withdrawals were resumed after 14 hours and the company's infrastructure has now been added following the incident. But his claim that no customer funds were stolen has been challenged. We have PegSheet shared screenshots suggesting that crypto worth $15 million was taken from Crypto.com's hot wallet and half of 40,600 ETH was being washed using Tornado Cash. A screenshot with corresponding transaction was shared. So the crypto enthusiast and entrepreneur Ben Bola also tweeted, "I messaged you guys hours ago about my account having 4.28 ETH stolen out of nowhere. I'm also wondering how they got past the two-factor authentication." The Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcos also pointed to all activity where transactions of between 2 ETH and 5 ETH were being transferred to a new wallet. So listening to CoinMarketCap podcast, you can check it out. It's very informative. Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts, guys. So unfortunate timing. So whereas many altcoins have posted healthy gains over the past 7 days, Crypto.com coin is flat. So the security breach has also distracted from a number of high-profile announcements the exchange wanted to make this week. So Crypto.com has now signed a 5-year deal to become a major partner of the Australian Football League. Adding to a long list of partnerships, it has also teamed up with Formula One, PSG, and sponsors of the Crypto.com Arena, previously known as Staples Center in Los Angeles. So some critics on Twitter have claimed that Crypto.com should have been more focused on keeping its platform secure than engaging in these big money partnerships. So Jameson Lopp, the co-founder of Bitcoin security provider Casa, tweeted, "This at Crypto.com issue sounds similar to the compromise of an undisclosed number of Coinbase accounts last year, some sort of 2FA bypass/reset. Remember, enabling 2FA on a custodial account is not a panacea. You can still get hacked. Narco keys, narco cheese." So guys, that's all we have. You want to make your own research on this to understand how to go about keeping your account safe. We do recommend there are some recommendations on Binance Academy that you want to check out. We'll still be dropping a link in the description box. SafePal can utilize an hardware wallet. So guys, feel free to like, share, subscribe. We hope you find this beneficial. Stay safe and peace out.